Like, what do you use to keep an idea in a practical way of project management, time management? Like, what is useful to you as a creator?
Because I'm kind of like, I have an idea and I get in communication. So it's kind of like back to that idea of like, have an idea, get in communication and get it captured with someone who can maybe hold that idea in existence, in a calendar, in a process, and schedule a meeting around it. So that, because oftentimes my sort of learning disability, can lead to not feeling like I'm going to be able to build the agenda and hold the whole thing and to work it all out. So it's kind of like finding the person who can hold the idea and then schedule the time and the creative people around it to sort of unlock it and make it grow.
With that, I hope you enjoy and benefit from and get involved in this possibility of regeneration with my new friend, Ryland Engelhart.